She was excited over a call and said, "The more I use a piece, the more it speaks to me. And the wider the variety of pots from Pottery Den, the broader picture of their tastes, sensibilities, and impressions of their world come to me." Hello and welcome to Rabbi Rashi Foundation. She I refer to Archana Deshpande, founder and CEO of Pottery Den. Pottery Den is a Pune-based company which designs and makes pure clay pottery. She is the magic behind the different elements put together to bridge the gap between traditions and style. आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है अर्चना जी.
A brief background of mine. I grew up in Palghar, a small town near Bombay, and I have done my BSc and then I have done my MBA in finance. So I was working in mortgage industry, mortgage banking for a long time, and I was in US, in Chicago and Cupertino for a long time. So my working experience is in US. So when I came to India in 2016, I wanted to have something of my own because my family was settling and it was after a long time. So of course, I was always fascinated with pottery and tableware and, presentation of the food and everything. So this was a sweet accident actually to start with. But we started experimenting with design, color themes, and mainly everybody is eco-friendly. Everybody is aware of sustainability, eco-friendly products nowadays. So that is how Pottery Den came in existence, because we wanted to have an eco-friendly product, but still we want to have a stylish product. We don't want to use the steel ka purana. It is out of style. It is not microwavable. So we were in finding the right solution, which can be trendy also, which can be stylish also.
So what is the main inspiration behind Pottery Den?
I was always interested in drawing and, designing part. But somehow, sometimes you just get into fields which are more, they are more, they'll give you a good job, they'll give you a good salary. And that kind of fields eventually you go into. But this kind of gave me a chance to go back to my hobby or passion, which I can pursue and which can be a career as well. So it was a drastic change for me from mortgage banking to totally entrepreneurship, because a job and entrepreneurship are two different worlds. So initially it was little, I wouldn't say tough, but it was a big change. And since I didn't know anything, I think I was very excited to know things, because learning has been always my, hobby as such. So I like to learn new things. I like to learn new fields or, art, whatever fields. I would say art, you can say art and craft, you can say stitching, or you can say pottery. And since I got the opportunity, I don't want to leave it. I want to go ahead with it. So it's good that I didn't get back and, I took a chance.
See, what is in store for Christmas now? I heard that you were up with the Christmas collection. Let's hear about that.
We have launched Christmas collection around 2 weeks back. And Christmas is big because I have been in US for a long time. Christmas is very close to my heart. It's as same as Diwali. So we have launched a Christmas collection. Mainly we have worked in white, red and green color tones. So we have wide range of products, like let's say for the Western cuisine more, like ramekins, platters. This time we have done specially red and green planters also, because people are not going out too much. So they are into gardening, they are more into cooking, they are spending more time in the house. And it's a feel good factor, since you're working from home, since you're spending so much time with your kids. So this is a good chance where you can teach them about the little garden, herb gardening in the kitchen. So that's why we have come up with a lot of red planters, which can be a part of Christmas as well. And plus you can use them as a planter for long run. And we have special red ramekins, which typically are not available anywhere. Ramekins are usually white. So we have we are being courageous to make red ramekins this time. So it will kind of enhance your tableware and Christmas layout. And then we have salad platters. We have which can be used for different purposes, like pastas, noodles, and salads and everything. So, considering more of a Western cuisine, we have come up with this special Christmas collection range.
And how do people reach out to you? Through your website?
Yes. We have launched e-commerce website on Dussehra this October, and Christmas collection is displayed, showcased, and ready to buy on the website. That is www.potteryden.com. We do have existence throughout social media. We are on Instagram, that is Pottery Den Official, and we do have the Facebook group, and so where they can check out the collections, even the previous collections, not only the current ones, but the previous product line. And they can always, there is a WhatsApp number, they can always check on that.
And I think your number is also available on this feed, so people can just call you, reach out, WhatsApp you, or maybe just go through the website and order. And I think the collection is beautiful. I also saw it's wonderful. Which other services does your company offer?
We do mainly clay pottery. It is pure clay made. Every product of Pottery Den is pure clay made. Every product of Pottery Den is hand painted and hand textured. We do not use any printing machine for any of our products. And all the colors are food grade colors. So they are all safe. They are lead free. And all the Pottery Den line of products are microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe. So they are very, I would say, whatever design we do, but they're very functional. Because we in Pottery Den, we have a strong belief that any art form, if it is not functional, it is very difficult to get into your day-to-day lifestyle. It has to be very trendy. It has to be functional as well. Because we want people to use our products from their morning tea to dinner. It's not just a piece of art where you take out during Diwali and Christmas and then put it back. So we want our products to be part of your daily life as well. Of course, we do have some festive collections which are more, occasional tableware or special occasion tableware. But we have lot of wide variety in every category.
I think this is the tagline, rather this is the thought behind this venture, that you want people to use your products each day. That's wonderful. So what are the upcoming projects for Pottery Den?
Pottery Den works basically on the model. We are limited edition company. We are not mass producers. We do not make 50,000 pieces and keep it. We do typically 4 to 5 collections a year. And every collection what we launch has a story behind it. Every collection of ours has a theme behind it. So it could be a festive collection which is launched during festive season. It could be a summer collection or spring summer collection, which are more on the season. Then we have a Christmas collection, which are more of color tones. Then we have we launch tea set collections, where we experimented different kind of tea sets. So when we are doing tea set collection, we have like, 25-30 types of tea sets only. And we experiment in different textures, we experiment in different color tones. Spring summer collection is typically all pastel. So we work with sky blues, we work with baby pinks, lemon yellows, and mint greens, and all the refreshing colors which kind of gives you that summer vibe. Or otherwise, we have rustic tones also. We are very good with darker tones as well, because we have launched recently, you wouldn't believe, we have launched the entire black matte collection, which people loved it. I mean, especially all the chefs and the hoteliers and the fine dine restaurants where we cater. They love nowadays darker tones, or matte blacks and maroons and olive greens and that kind of tone, because that kind of enhances the food, because food plating has become a very, very creative field right now. And now, because of COVID, actually, since people are not going out, they are also experimenting in the house. I can see the shift from before COVID, where people used to feel like, it's as a luxury, probably, to have a nice tableware, to have a fancy tableware. But right now, I can see that entire shift in client mindset, that maybe I'll eat khichdi today, but I'll eat with style. I will not eat just because I have to eat it. That mindfulness has come a lot. I mean, we can see that shift everyday basis. So now it is more of a necessity that we have to have a proper food, we have to have a proper tableware, and we have to spend that dinner time together with family.
A good entrepreneur has good thoughts behind its venture, and I think that is the beauty of Pottery Den, because the kind of thoughts you are sharing, they're so beautiful, and this is lovely.
Thank you so much.
Secret mantras for being a good entrepreneur?
From at least my experience, I would say that it is 50-50. Hard work and creativity, that is there. Of course, it has to be there. But at the same time, you have to follow the trends. You have to see what client really needs. Because if it is not needed, then your creativity and your hard work is, it's not worth. So, as I said, art and creativity, it has to be part of everyday life to give you that, to give you that enhancement in the lifestyle. Because once in a while, then it is not something you would probably cherish for a long time. But every day, we have some refreshing colors, as I mentioned in summer collection. Those colors itself, or those design itself, we have a lot of clients, they say, you know what, Archana, we just look at the cup and we feel like drinking tea. That kind of thing, if you're feeling, then I think I'm okay. I have done my job.
Yeah, you could actually say like that, because you're actually connecting with the client's mind, the emotion.
Yes. Yeah. I'm very well connected. I mean, I get satisfied when people come to my place, check out the collection, and their mind start telling me that, what, these idlis will look excellent in this platter. They can vision and they can serve in this. And I think that kind of, gives me that high. Okay, I'm on the right track.
Yeah, I think this was beautiful, and hearing, I will go on the website and shop from there. This is wonderful. May your hands be full of clay and your hearts be full of imaginations. Go ahead and shop at Pottery Den. The details and the numbers are available in this feed and on this video also. Please go ahead, call up Archana ji. You want to get anything customized, specifically the colors for your home, she is open to that.
Yes, we have a lot of colors, so you can match up with your interior.
Yes, so go ahead and buy some great table mats, tableware, and some great crafting.